Pacie. Today is February 18th and we're on another day to count down to your birthday. And you're opening one this time, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Let's try this one. Do you know the one I'm hoping for?
What?
The silver one, because somebody's favorite color is silver. Mommy!
Okay, which one are you going to open? Which window? Okay. Careful.
Oh, this one. Help me! Oh, I opened it.
Got it?
Oh, that's why it's so hot. Check, check, check.
Who is it?
Check.
OMG!
Who does he represent?
I think you got Texas. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Cowboys!
Who's from Texas?
I am Mama.
Yep. We're from Texas. Mama's born and raised in Texas, and Pacie was born where?
Texas.
Oh yeah, he's cute, right? Cute little Ryan cowboy. And actually, I think Ryan is from Garland, Texas, which is a suburb of Dallas.
When we visit Texas, I want to bring him with me.
Of course, my love. Alrighty. What else? Is there anything else you want to tell your Pacers?
Now, let's see how many I have.
Okay, you want to count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Awesome.
I opened 9 things so far.
Yes, you did, baby girl.
Thanks everyone watching my video. Bye bye. Deuces. Like and subscribe. Click the bell, please. Hey y'all and Pacers. So yesterday's opening, we made an oopsie doopsie cheefy weefy. We thought this guy was from Texas, but it's from Missouri.
Yes,
Because of the hat and
the outfit's very similar
yeah,
to Texas.
See, but the hat looks different. So
And it's not. And
So
he's
he-
really representing Missouri.
so that guy.
So we're sorry about that, Pacers.
Yeah, we're so toast.
Alrighty.
Thank you everyone watching the video. Bye bye. Deuces. Like this.